In this video, I'll be discussing the maintenance guide or schedule for the TCe 90 and TCe 100 LPG engines. This 90 horsepower 3-cylinder petrol engine with indirect injection delivers 100 horsepower in the LPG version. It is known as the TCe 100. You can view your vehicle's maintenance schedule on the My Renault website and on the My DACIA website. The program indicates what needs to be changed, the checks to be carried out, and the specifications for the fluids. Please note that the program may vary depending on the country of sale. It must be observed during the warranty period. It indicates what needs to be changed according to time and mileage. These periods can be brought forward. On the instrument panel, this is because the system takes into account the degradation of the engine oil. There are two groups of inspections in the maintenance program: Inspection A and Inspection B. Inspection A includes tire pressure, fluid levels, brakes, and front shock absorbers. And in Inspection B, the rear brakes and shock absorbers, bellows, ball joints, and exhaust system are also checked. Now I will give a brief summary of the maintenance. In the first year, only the cabin filter is replaced. Type A inspection and level control are carried out. Every 2 years or every 30,000 kilometers, the engine oil and filter should be changed. The levels are checked, and a Type B inspection is carried out. Currently, the specified oil is RN17 with a viscosity of 0W20. But it is also possible to find an oil with a slightly higher viscosity, 5W30, in engines before the end of 2023. It is possible that both oils may be indicated, in which case we can use either one. In the LPG version, every 30,000 kilometers, the gas filter must also be changed. Every 3 years, the brake fluid and cabin filter must be changed, and an Inspection A must be carried out with a check of fluid levels. Every 60,000 kilometers, the LPG filter in its liquid phase is replaced. And every 60,000 kilometers or every 4 years, in addition to an oil change, the spark plugs and engine air filter must also be replaced. The levels are checked and Inspection B is carried out. At 120,000 kilometers, the rear brake pads are checked and cleaned. After 5 years, only the cabin filter needs to be replaced, the levels checked, and the A service carried out. And every 6 years or every 150,000 kilometers, in addition to changing the oil and replacing the brake fluid, the coolant and the alternator belt must also be changed, in addition to the checks carried out during a Type B inspection. To stay informed about more videos, please remember to subscribe and activate the bell icon. Thank you.